Hello and welcome! I'm back at it again with another devlog. This time I'm working on Shrimp Factory Simulator. My goal with making Shrimp Factory Simulator is to give the player an experience from the inside of a factory. I made a map of the factory in Adobe Animate. Then I imported the map into Blender. First I made the basics in Blender. Then I added some small assets like a table and a chair and stuff. Also I used some old objects I made years way back already. Like a vehicle for transporting tubs with shrimps in it. Then I imported my scene to Godot. Later on I added the code for picking up tubs. I tried to code a platform with shrimps on it, to move when you press a button only. This worked out pretty well. Figured out how to walk upstairs and go downstairs. It could still use some improvements though. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.